So today we're going to learn about the bathroom. First of all, make sure that you get all the toilets in order. Make sure that we have the correct shampoos in place. Also make sure that we have the shower correctly, and also keep the outside view. Look at all the shampoos, and also make sure that everything is clean in the sink.
When cleaning a bathroom, begin by spraying the vanity mirror with proper cleaning solution and wipe down thoroughly, taking care to remove all streaks. Next, spray and wipe the vanity area, including the sink. Also, wipe down all fixtures, as well as under and behind accessories.